Please welcome to the field, UCO Stampede of Sound Marching Band.
Hey, Ellen.
Hey, Ellen.
Hey.
Hello. Hey, guys.
Hi, Ellen.
Hey, hola.
Hi. Hello. Hi, Ellen.
Hi, Ellen.
Hi.
Hi, Ellen.
What's up, Ellen? You're my biggest fan.
No, wait, it's the other way. So this is the UCO Marching Band plus high school kids. As an outreach to the community, we are letting them play with us.
I hope you can help us by funding us to go to the Walt Disney World Christmas Parade in Florida.
We're awesome. No, I'm just kidding. Because we work really, really hard all the time. We have long practices.
I think we should go because it's a lot of fun for us. It's a great opportunity. It'll be a good recruiting opportunity too. And we've got a bunch of seniors and it would be great to end our year with a bang.
We're a small band, and we don't get to go very many places.
He's stepping to Disney World.
Mr. Hannon, our band director, has made it his goal since he took over our band to get us into a major parade. And I know that we're good enough for it. We just don't have the funding.
I've heard that we haven't done a lot, so I just kind of want to travel.
The entire band has been so dedicated these past few years that we have never really ever been able to go anywhere as a band, as an entire group.